In diversity, there is beauty, there is strength. In this chapter, we're going to be looking at reproductive behaviors, and I think that at this point in the course, we can all appreciate that there's so many variables biologically that can affect our behavior, and that our environment can affect our behavior, and our own behavior can affect our gene expressions and how our chemicals work. And so this chapter is, again, going to say these are some variables, but we don't have hard and fast answers, just like pretty much all the other chapters. So, to start out with, we're going to find out that these are some really powerful determinants of gender expression and our sexuality. And so, the way that we're going to be going over this chapter is first we're going to look at chromosomes. We're going to look at the XX and XY chromosomes and our chromosomal pattern. But then what we're going to do is we're going to look at something called organizing effects, which organizing effects, we'll have that on another slide, is they're basically effects that happen in humans in prenatal development, basically, and they are pretty stable. They're long term. But then another thing that can affect our gender expression and our sexuality is our internal hormone levels. Even when we get older, we'll find out that testosterone is a pretty powerful portion of our sex drive, and in women, estradiol can also have a role in our sex drive. And then finally, what we have is we also have social forces and expectations, not to mention that what would fall into this category is our childhood experiences. So there's so many factors that are involved in building of us and our gender expression and our sexuality. And that's what we're going to be looking at, these different variables in this particular module.